Rover Car Seat Installation Guide. For the Group 0+ installation, the car seat has to be put in position 5. You can check the positions pasted on the side sticker. For position 5, push the adjustment lever on the bottom of the car seat, and slide towards position 4. Push the 360-degree rotation adjustment lever, then rotate the car seat facing backward. The car seat is now in position 5. Now, take the seatbelt and make sure there are no twists in between. Cross the waist strap underneath the armrests on both sides of the car seat. Bring the diagonal strap around the back of the car seat and insert it into the belt slot near the headrest. Doubly check for any twists on the belt straps, and then fasten the seatbelt. After putting the car seat into position 5, extend the ISOFIX connectors at the base by pressing the red button and sliding it forward. Make sure ISOFIX connectors on both sides are extended. Align with ISOFIX clips beneath the seat to the clamp, and push the car seat backward to lock. Make sure the ISOFIX indicator turns green, and ensure the car seat is firmly placed. Now open the Velcro strap at the back and unroll the top tether completely. Adjust the length long enough to reach the back of the car seat. Now, bring the top tether to the back. Make sure the tether goes around both sides of the car seat. Latch it to the U-shaped locking point below. Group 1. Connect the ISOFIX system to the clamp to lock, and make sure the indicator is green. Push the 360-degree rotation adjustment lever, and turn the car seat to make it forward-facing. You can choose positions 1, 2, 3 or 4. Push the adjustment lever and slide into position. Take the seatbelt, and make sure there are no twists. Cross the waist strap underneath the armrest, and the diagonal strap beside the headrest. Now take the buckle, and insert it through the back of the padding. Bring it onto the other side. Take the buckle from underneath the armrest, and fasten the seatbelt. Press the adjustment lever, and slide the car seat into position 1. Connect the ISOFIX system, and make sure the indicator is green. The headrest can be adjusted with the top ring to the required height, as per the child's head position. Now take the seat belt, and make sure there are no twists. Cross the waist strap underneath the armrest, and the diagonal strap beside the headrest. Take the seat belt and place it across your child. Bring it underneath the armrest on the other side, and fasten the seat belt. Press the harness button to loosen the shoulder straps. Stretch out both the straps. Align the shoulder straps clip together. Insert them together beneath the red button on the central buckle. Make sure you hear the click sound. Tighten the shoulder straps by pulling the adjustment strap. You and your little one are now ready to go.